sympathies for their lives. For people to begin them, brothers, husbands.
From their houses, to their plantations, to their properties, to anything that they own in Southern Cameroon, we will guarantee it.
Every time they are so this, that they bring this, they have this. It's there for bush. Don't worry. All of these that go burn them. Yes, all of these that go burn them. They don't send me the bond people that has them. All of these that go burn your own this. That's the devil bush. That they begin that they fake this for the crisis. When they think on the bill, that they fake this for the crisis. This is the effect of the crisis. And the una go suffer. They have this. Yes. They have this. You go suffer. You not even suffer yourself. You go see something. They have this on Mafia. For inside your own town. Atrōcities. It is like bush. Yes, I go burn them one of the days. As you don't decide to burn people as them, I go burn your own one of the. Just prepare. You will see fire.
From their houses, to their plantations, to their properties, to anything that they own in Southern Cameroon, we will guarantee it. We will guarantee it. Let's be very careful. I want to revamp the word guarantee. I am very sure. Listen, my name is Atrōcities. Quote me anywhere. Quote me anywhere. I'm the one who is saying it. I am the one who is saying it. That any parliamentarian, senator, that would dare to go to talk about any elections in Southern Cameroon, the councillors that will put their names to vote the parliamentarians, the senators, anybody that will receive any gift from any parliamentarian, we are going to guarantee that person. That is a fact. Listen, there's going to be what we call the application of mass guarantee process. Mass. And it will be extended. If you are a family member or family members to any parliamentarian, any senator, listen, we are not joking. Restoration forces will take any strict instructions to ensure that we neutralize any parliamentarian who has the ambition, if it means that we will guarantee each and every one parliamentarian and his family members by extension.
When I hear no, Gary Master say it could target the family members of senators and parliamentarians and mayors them and councillors them. Their family members though, their properties, their plantations them. Now what they could target them? No, not even them. They could target now their family members. So Atrōcities and Mami don't die. They go better than die. They can't better than for condemn for Manu. You don't tell una. Their strategies them. Terrorists. They no get friend, they no get secret. They target now the family members them. Even me when I countermand the Igwe. Time Atrōcities we can't do some stupid live broadcast, say don't unmask when I countermand. It talks that they can't guarantee my family members, not me, because they know fully well that they may abroad. They don't forget to me. So what they could do? They could go now after people, their family members them. So I don't see the person will record video say Atrōcities na your house this. You talk say one of these days I will born you the wait with it. Now 500 francs for 1 liter petrol we lack them, or now 1,000 francs for 1 liter petrol or matches. And they just ask you that question or they ask that question. You the wait now waiting. You the wait now different day for past day. You don't even need up to 1 liter. Half a liter petrol, less than half serve, they could do the job. Atrōcities don't tell you now. And they don't send other people, they go burn other people their houses them. It talks say you name na Atrōcities Gary Master quote anywhere. I the quote na ye and I just ask na question them. You know get family members and too. You know get mommy, you know get papa, you know get properties, you know get things and two when I fit touch them. Wait when I wait for. Quote anywhere.
If it means that we would guarantee each and every one parliamentarian and his family members by extension.
I they just tell when I wait where Atrōcities talk. Atrōcities talk said una property, una houses, una plantations, una family members, una mommy, una brothers them. So I ask you questions. Say Atrōcities no get mommy, he no get brothers, he no get family. So now I hear say mommy don't die. They go bury na for condemn. They go bury na inside Cameroon. And the question that now who will attend the funeral? They get uncle them, they get cousins them, they get brothers and sisters them. Atrōcities get family. If they carry other people their family too, then your own family they safe. Why? Now question why they ask. You say, don't promise, I can't carry my family. So the question why they ask now say, you no get family. Who go pass that cry die? I dey wait for see the pictures them and the videos where they come off that cry die. I want to identify all of them. Then I go ask. Why way Eric Tato Gary other people their families them? And then they no pay them. They no pay the Eric Tato any own coins. Poetic justice, now the best kind of justice. If you want to do good for some person, if I made a good to it, follow you. Now so, may they pay you in your own coins. Gary Master, he said me they quote you anywhere. So when I listen.
I am the one who is saying it, that any parliamentarian, senator that would dare to go to talk about any elections in Southern Cameroons, the councillors that will put their names to vote the parliamentarians, the senators, anybody that will receive any gift from any parliamentarian, we are going to Gary that person. That is a fact. Listen, there's going to be what we call the application of mass Gary process. Mass. And it will be extended. If you are a family member or family members to any parliamentarian, any senator, listen, we are not joking. Restoration forces will take any strict instructions to ensure that we neutralize any parliamentarian who has the ambition, any politician who wants to push the agenda.
Lesson number one, my country people, Atrōcities. Listen, whether or not you accept, my country people is a force to reckon with. Me, I agree. He's an enemy that is strong. So, we got to be technical to what he do.
I don't know why all we will not get sympathies for the life. For people to be killing brothers, husbands.
Please. No Southern Cameroonian, particularly a fighter on the ground. When you are fighting, please keep aside anything called international convention that might come after you tomorrow. When you are fighting, keep aside anything called international convention that you think might come after you tomorrow. If it is to kill a Republican citizen and even kill pregnant, let there be 1 million. Kill them. That is what is going to cause the international community not to be sending diplomatic envoys across. They will send soldiers down there to cause a buffer zone between the Southern Cameroon people and Latin Cameroon. If it is to massacre them for a day, 50,000, do just that. That is what is going to attract international attention and action. Never you guys be afraid of any damn thing called international conventions or Geneva, whatever convention. Don't keep that behind your memory. Do the job that will free you and stop thinking of a certain convention elsewhere. You were never a signatory to that convention, like the Southern Cameroon people were never a signatory to that convention, and that those conventions got nothing to do with any Southern Cameroonian. I hear.
This video, after this, you will not see this video online. Don't kill a military. If the military attacks you, kill him. If the military doesn't attack you, don't touch it. Some of them, they don't want to do it, but their lives are on hanging bars. People you need to touch, I'm sorry to say this, is the civilian population. When you touch them, their cries Actually, the families of those who are in government, if you know any of them, you touch them, that is where it hurts. They are the ones. This video, after this, you will not see this video online. I'm just saying it now so you can hear, but after this, you will not see this video online. Because what I've spoken, some things are not supposed to be spoken online for everybody to hear. So after this video, some of you are watching me, you will not see it online. I'll keep it for myself and for the future. So after this, you will not see this video. But I've told you all, go back to the counties, radicalize the boys, tell them if they see the military coming, they should not be wasting their granates.
Has befallen the Southern Cameroon struggle. For this
So now wait this way, the Anglophones, they cause them for their own communities. They say make your territory ungovernable. And this is exactly what you get. When I know if you plant violence and then when I harvest peace, you harvest what you plant. And when we don't come with this conclusion, say kum is the solution, now because we don't take cognizance of the reality of which way it happened on the ground. These drug addicts, these criminals, them, Ambazonia terrorists, they can only be stopped by killing them. The ones the way they don't surrender will kill them. There is no appeasement, no 2 ways, no day for una for gain peace inside Bamenda, inside the whole Anglophone zone. Now for kill the terrorists. When I see them today, they know they shoot guns on at Cameroon military. No, they know how the gendarmes, the checkpoints the day. They know how where the governor office day. They know how where the DOs, the mayors, and all the military officers, them their offices the day. But they not go now for day. No. They can't attack now civilians them. Ordinary people, the way they just want travel, maybe they go to hospital, maybe they go to go visit families, or they go to for farm. Who knows? You just want to live an ordinary life. They stop you for road. You get guns. You get guns pointed at your faces. You get gunshots. They are shooting at whatever they are shooting. They didn't shoot at Cameroon military. They are shooting at Anglophone civilians. And in the end, they burn some of them to them. This is Ambazonia terrorism. And the only solution is kumkumization. Now join me when I command the Igwe, the king of all the black legs, today, the 15th of June 2024. We could do a live broadcast. Later on today, I want to analyze a few things in Funa, showing us some more videos, and more video and audio where they come out from Amber World, and for analyze so that we will get an understanding of what really happen in our communities. Them join when I command live.
Number one, my country people, Atrōcities. Listen, whether or not you accept my country people is a force to reckon with. Me, I agree. He's an enemy that is strong. So, Ambazonians will thank my country people for the wonderful job. Now, we'll go ahead.
Coming, Amber, we are coming. Courage, 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 courage. Courage. Amber, we are coming. Amber, we are coming. Amber, we are coming. Mula, Mula, Mula. Mula, big smoke. We there, it's okay, it's okay. Mula, big smoke, it's okay. Yes, yes, yes. The Master Commando. Man.
So now wait this way the Anglophones, they cause them for their own communities.
This is Dr. Choayaba. Over there are taxis in Oslo. Black in color, white. There's no particular color that must that a taxi must be painted with. As I said in my last outing, this a true soup color called yellow. Is not some standard acceptable international taxi color. I hear some have argued that it is risky to drive in any other color than yellow, and that we are callous in making such decisions, that we don't show love for our people, we are not concerned by their security. You will not achieve independence without breaking rules. Rules, especially those imposed by the enemy. When people were asked to respect Mondays as ghost towns and close their shops, there are people whose shops have been sealed.
Audio now will be titled "The Nightmare That Has Befallen the Southern Cameroon Struggle for quite a long time." The nightmare that has befallen the Southern Cameroon struggle for all this while. Maybe I'll talk about pieces so that make everybody understand them. Yesterday, I happened for attend a meeting where they send an archer and activists, they organize them. May I tell Southern Cameroon something where the water we all. We even create Jesus Christ in society. Yes. We create Jesus Christ in society. But if that Jesus Christ in society will create them, not get a change of mentality. He no go anywhere. May I repeat myself again. If we like, may we create Jesus Christ in society. If we create Jesus Christ in society, we will not change our mentality. That Jesus Christ in society, he no go anywhere. Wait till the change of mentality. The canker worm, where it don't destroy the Southern Cameroon struggle. For since when we may not know. Now the canker worm of people at the dawn of this struggle, at the dawn of of this phase of the struggle. Maybe I don't call it the last phase, but I'm not sure it's in the last phase. Maybe I describe it as this phase of the struggle. Oh man, if you don't see yourself, say boya, it didn't for a no switch down. So instead for we all, for the fight, for Rich Oboya, I did repeat myself now, repeat more. We turn up for here. They now exchange blows with each other. Now me, I go lead because now me I must end up for Boya, like Mr. President. Now me, I go must support now Mr. President because I know say if the Mr. President end up for Boya, I go be minister. That is the more reason. Some group of numbskulls, may I describe it that way. They say they be activists. Or in other words, pretentiously, we are youths. We are the youths. But the youths, they say that them be the youths. Be for that chin, it pass Bin Laden on it don't white pass white paint. But not them be youths. Then get for die with Marianta because Boya be there at the corner. So that if Marianta go for Boya, Madam President, he go say that the youths. So the youths go be minister of this, minister of that, minister of that. These funny youths, they don't see anything wrong with their attitude. Because the idea for head no be still Boya. The idea for head na my position. If I reach for Boya, I will be in a minister. I will be in a Madam President. That now wait that way with the fight for. That is why every day we create all sort of things. The question where I ask we now say, now how many organizations we go create them? And the creation of these organizations not mean I say we really want to create these organizations. So we create these organizations now because we want to be the head. We want to be looked upon. Now me, I be the King Kong. No be Boya again, no. But now me, I be the man where I get all the best ideas for Rich Oboya. If not be me, nothing else. I be see Mark Barretta. Day for day. The jump inside, minute by minute, in the talk. But that now wait that way he want. Forget a voice for talk. Mark Barretta interest no be Boyao, but make it be that say that me at the top for talk. That is why for Mark Barretta, nobody
Yes, which you are talking about a fact. For Mark Barretta, nobody in no day way if you lead this struggle past Mark Barretta. That is why if you go Mark Barretta, he want to go refer you to 2017, 2018. So when he and Tapang be the lead this struggle, everything be moved smoothly. 2-man squad. And Mark Barrett will be facing he and Tapang 2-man squad. They will move this struggle to Boya. When the people be forced Mark Barretta and Tapang out, they pick annoyance with every other thing where they come up. Every other leader where they come up. Mark Barretta and Tapang don't ever see it. Fine, say Tapang don't go find himself for some side. They. Cool. I not get trouble with that one. But for Mark Barretta, it jump out refutable every now and then. Make some very frivolous statements. Whenever he make me go back for he and Tapang a period, as if it would be the golden period for the Southern Cameroon struggle. If ever that period be the golden period for Southern Cameroon struggle, then surely for dinner for what time for boy talk for day. We don't foresee there for year. The thing way they kill we. Now the issue of position protectionism. Yes, thing way they kill the Southern Cameroon struggle. Now position protectionism. Make it be say na my society with me I never dey go reach Boya tomorrow. Because if my society I never dey go reach Boya tomorrow, I go be Mr. Minister, I go be Mr. President, I go be Mr. So and so. That is why unity or collaboration for the Southern Cameroon struggle is an elusive thing where it be difficult for come about with. We go continue to create whatever we want to create them. It no go ever change a thing. The only thing where it go change them we all. Now a change of mentality and not the creation of societies. Back to the boys on the ground. I be put my hand for up yesterday for talk. But I want to address the boys on the ground with the fight. Unfortunately, then we call me up for talk, so I begin to sign out. But this is the message to the boys on the ground. Make the boys on the ground not ever point their fingers at anybody for the Western world, so that ye be the cause of their division. Now themselves for ground be the cause of their division. I go talk which way cause their division. Their division be caused by the notion of financial incentive. Because if you call yourself so you be the leader for this unit, we happen for send you money. You know to use that money and say we'll buy material day. You know to use that money and say we'll buy chocolate for everybody. You take that money, it turn me like say now your personal money. You decide what for doing with that money at the detriment of every other person. As such, it costs strong units for individuals for leave that unit, jump into other units where they feel say they will get better treatment for those units. As such, it costs the creation of splinter groups within units. Where people will say, because of this treatment, I come go create my own unit. And therefore, they so as for also attract financial incentives from the West. And with such things,